Sweta, with weddings becoming more cinematic and theatrical, drawing inspiration from films and royal ceremonies, are you observing a heightened demand for narrative-driven bridal fashion from your clients?
Absolutely. Today's brides are not just selecting a gown, they're curating an experience. The influence of royal weddings and cinema has led to a surge in demand for gowns that tell a story, be it through intricate embroidery, unique silhouettes, or personalized details. For instance, the resurgence of three-dimensional floral appliques, dramatic sleeves, and elaborate crystal embellishments reflects this trend, allowing brides to embody a fairy tale aesthetic. At Finesse Couture, we embrace this approach, crafting gowns that resonate with the bride's personal journey and vision.
Finesse Couture boasts a rich heritage. Is there a particular gown or collaboration from your archives that stands out as a defining moment for the brand?
Indeed, one collaboration that comes to my mind is our partnership with an Italian designer who envisioned a gown and veil inspired by the bride's great-grandmother's wedding dress motif. The project involved over 400 hours of meticulous hand embroidery. The veil and dress had graduating motifs, scalloped edges, and incredibly delicate floral motifs with foliage and scrolls. The gown garnered attention across European bridal publications. It was a testament to our commitment to blending traditional craftsmanship with innovative designs, solidifying Finesse Couture's reputation at the global stage.
With the evolving bridal fashion landscape, how does Finesse Couture stay ahead of emerging trends?
Staying on top of global trends is pivotal. We've observed a shift towards bold and personalized bridal fashion. Think feathers, high slits, elaborate pearl designs, crystal embellishments, and even colored floral motifs. Crystal embellishments were huge when we started off, and it seems like a complete circle as they're back with a bang now. Our design team continuously researches and integrates these elements, ensuring our creations resonate with contemporary brides while maintaining our signature elegance. Moreover, our collaborations with designers worldwide allow us to infuse diverse cultural aesthetics into our gowns, enriching our portfolio and appealing to a broader clientele.
Thank you, Sweta, for sharing these insights about the evolving world of bridal couture.